Hello and welcome to the fifth episode of Git series on our channel CloudSewa to Cloud. Previously, we have discussed about the scenarios where we use Git rebase or Git merge and their characteristics and what are their features and the advantages and disadvantages. We have also gone through the demo of how Git rebase or how Git merge works. So now we'll be moving on to the scenario where Git merge conflict occurs and what are the ways to mitigate it and solve it and what we will be doing to omit the merge conflicts. So as you can see in the screen, a merge conflict is an event that occurs when Git is unable to automatically resolve differences in code between two commits. So let's say we have like two different commits done in two different branches, and that commit is done in the same file. So of one file contains certain topics and content, and the another file contains certain topic and content which is quite differentiable from each other. So while merging it, so we'll be getting an error message that the same file have multiple codes or multiple contents that is like quite not matching with each other, and we'll be getting that error and we'll be trying to solve it. So when all the changes in the code occur on different lines or in different files, Git will successfully merge commits without your help. Merge conflict can happen when merging a branch, rebasing a branch, or cherry picking a commit. So basically, conflict can occur while merging or rebasing or cherry picking a commit.
Now it's settled for you?
So when can merge conflict occur? It is not quite good to like pinpoint out the fact that the merge conflict occurs only while merging the branch. Okay, a merge conflict can occur in while we merge a branch or we rebase a branch or we cherry pick a commit. So there are like these three scenarios, but we'll be talking about detailed mode, how git merge conflict occurs while merging the branches. Let's go. So we have this scenario where we will be starting and initializing a fresh repo, creating a file name called intro.md. This is the main master branch. We have to save the file. We have to add the file to the staging area, and we commit the message. Then we now create a new branch and switch to it, naming the branch to be before conflict. Create a file called district.md and type the number of districts in Nepal is and save it. Add it to the staging area and commit it. Use git difference master and before conflict to tally the differences and similarities between the branches. Create two branches, additional branches. It's going to be branch A, branch B, and on branch A, we edit the file called district.md and save it as the answer 75. So it was before like 2015, we had like 75 districts in Nepal, and after that, certain changes in the province area, the regional boundaries resulted in adding of two additional districts, and now we have like 77 districts. So we get the result from branch A to be 75 and from branch B to be 77. And while we merge every files, then we're going to face a conflict that one is saying the number of districts in Nepal is 75 and the number of districts in Nepal is 77. So two different two different content. While we merge, there's gonna be conflict, and we resolve it by how we can compromise it. So compare the edits using get difference branch A and branch B. You will be seeing the difference. And we check out to before conflicts as it contains the original file. And from that, we create a branch which is just like quite a fake master named branch master. So why we do it? We have that question, the original content asking, oh, what is the right number of districts in Nepal in before conflict, and we take that content and we don't quite change it to before conflict, and we'll be creating a fake master, and we will be merging everything on that fake master, and then the conflict will arise. And after solving the conflict, we can also tally the difference between um, for conflict and the branch master, which is the fake master. And after doing everything, then we finally going to merge it to our main master. So now merge it with branch A and make sure the changes from branch A are implemented in the fake master using get log branch A and get log branch master, or using get difference branch A and branch master. Now merge the conflicting branch B. We will getting an error message about the conflict. We then check the status by using git status. It opens up in a text editor that has all the messages on issues about the conflict. We then edit and resolve the merge conflict. After we finish editing, we now add the changes to the staging area and commit it with a message of compromise. We check the history of our projects by using get log and also merge all the changes to our main master. We then check out to master and merge branch master to our main master. And that's all we're going to do. So we are here on our Linux machine, and we initialize our terminal by the combination of Control Alt T in our keyboard. Here we have the terminal. So we will be creating a directory called let's say merge conflict. We move on to that directory. We are here. So basically, at first, we're going to like have an initialized repo in it. So a repository has been initialized, and for a basic commit and master, we're going to create so info this scenario about the conflict. So here we have. So we'll be adding this file in the staging area. We will then be committing it, commit message. First commit. So here we have the commit, and then we move on to another branch. Check out B, the branch name to be before conflict. So we have switched to the new branch before conflict. We're going to be create a file called district.mj, and we'll be here the is. So we're going to be saving this file. We're going to be adding to the staging area. We're going to commit it, commit message, the number of this district as. So we've committed it successfully, and then we're going to create two different branches. So it's going to be git check out /b, and then okay, branch A. So here we edit the same file, district.md. So we will be giving it 75. So yes. So we'll be committed the message It's completed from branch A. So the commit has been done. We then move on to check out. We move out to the before conflict. Then we first check out the before conflict. We've already done that, and then now we create another branch B. Why am I doing this? Okay, if you create the branch from branch A, you will be having the content of branch A in the branch B itself. So I'm going to create the branch from the before conflict. So I've successfully created the branch, and you can check, okay, district.empty. As you can see, the changes that commit message done by branch A is not here. So I'll be writing 77. So let's save it as okay, git add git commit okay status completed. So the committing has been done, and then we move to check out before conflict, and then yes, we now create a fake master. So I have to create a fake master from the before conflict because it has the original file that has been stating the number of districts only, but not quite the answers yet. Git check out IPv. So branch manager. Yep, you can pretty much give any name you like. So let's give it branch manager. So we have out here, we list it. Okay, we have input.empty from the main branch and district.empty. So let's see what district.empty has. Okay, it's just stating that. You can also check it by git difference of branch A. So you have that -75. That is the difference from the file district.md. And you can also check the difference from git difference branch B. So the difference is 77. So we have our fake master here. We at first merge branch A. So git merge branch A. So it's successfully going to merge with that insertion, and git merge branch B. So as you can see here, auto merging the script empty conflict, content merge conflict in this and automatically merge failed fix conflicts and then commit the result. So here you can see the conflict has occurred, and the git merge is telling me that you should first resolve the conflict and then commit the result. So let's see what's the status by git status. So on branch manager, you have on merge path both modified to empty. So we'll be in the text editor and empty. Here you can see the conflict has occurred, and there you see that 75 and 77 from branch A and branch B. So this result is basically from branch B. So I will be deleting everything from here. To here, 77. 77 as data after 2015 province separation. So here we have like so we have the exact data of our present situation. We write this messages and then we save the file. So now we check the status. Okay, status both modified, and now we try to add git commit says the messages from the branch has been tallied and compromised. So we've committed. The message from both branch has been tallied and compromised. So you can see the git log. So git log, we have status complete from branch B, status complete from branch A. The message from both branch has been tallied and compromised. That is the main message. And you can also go downward district asked. And the first comment, okay, we have the end here. We create on from the log using a semicolon and Q. So here we have successfully successfully solved the merge conflict between two branches, and we have then committed it. Then we got the name wrong. It's going to be branch manager. Git merge branch manager on the master. So yeah, we have like updated this, and these are the heads. Fast forward, direct.md, this is our file. One file change, two insertion, create mode. That's district.md. Here we have successfully done the merge. So we can like check it by ls. So initially we only have the info.md on our main master and get district.md here, of course. So we can also check the content by cat district.md. As you can see, this is the result of compromise and of the conflict. So yes, we have finished the demo of this lab, and hope you've had fun and had some information how to create the conflicts, and then how to compromise it, and how to mitigate it, and how to solve it and omit the merge conflicts. Yes, that's all for today. Thank you.